Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to fix your problem if you have a microphone connected to your PC and the voice it gives is very low and you have tried everything but the problem is still there and the problem has not been solved. I already checked many videos on YouTube that says you will see the speaker button here. Just right click on it and then click on the open sound settings, and here you have to click on the sound control panel, and then from here you will select the recordings and you will see the your microphone. Here you have to click on right. Here you will see microphone. You have to right click on it and then click on the properties, and here you will see levels, and in your case the level will be 150 or 75. You have to increase the level to 100 and the problem will be solved. I tried this solution but it doesn't work for me, and I am guessing if you are on this video then it is same for you that this method doesn't work and you have tried everything but nothing worked. So don't worry, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix it with just a simple steps. So first of all, you have to go to your Chrome. From here you have to search voice mod. After searching voice mod, you will see this link here, this interface here. You have to simply click on it, and after clicking you will see this interface. Just click on the download for free button here and it will download a software. You have to simply install it, and after installing you have to open it, and after opening you will see interface like this, and here you have to select this clean mic option and make sure that in settings, launch or startup, make sure it is off, and then audio, click on the audio and make sure the settings here are aligned to your microphone. So I will show you the demo. Currently I'm using this clean mic and you can hear my voice, and if I turn it off, just see that it on, and here you can see my voice is boosted, and it has a little bit of problem. It comes with a little bit of background noise. So for that you have to go to Chrome again, and here you have to search Adobe Podcast, and here you will see this website. Just click on it and then scroll down a bit, and here you have to click on start enhancing. Then you have to sign up for your account, and if your audio is below 30 minutes, meaning your duration is below 30 minutes, then you can easily clean up your audio. So that's it for today. Hope you liked it. If you have any question, just comment below in the comment section. I will